So this was one way that we could find the inverse function. First, we switched the values of x and y, and then we solve for y and replace that with f inverse of x. Now, there is a quicker way to find the inverse of a linear function. I could just list out what I did to x. First, I multiplied x by 2, and then I took that result and I added 3. So to undo these operations, I want to start with the result and do the inverse of this step. So I start with the result, which is x, and I'm going to subtract 3 first. Then I'll take that result and divide it by 2. Notice that to find the inverse function, we first undo the last step that we performed for f of x. Then we work backwards and undo each of the steps before. We can see this for an input like x equals 1. We'll multiply the input by 2, which equals 2, and then we'll add 3 to that result, which equals positive 5. So if this is a true inverse function, if I put in positive 5, I should get out the original input, which was 1. So notice, we'll take 5, use that for the input of our inverse function, and first we'll subtract 3, which equals 2. Next, we'll divide that result by 2, so 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So notice how our inverse function undoes the operations that was performed on 1. Our original function with an input at 1 gave us an output of 5. And then our inverse function with an input of 5 gave us our original input, which was 1.